Crossroad number 36, to walk on fire or to escape suffering. We are on Wednesday of the fifth week of Lent, and we read from the book of the prophet Daniel. Nebuchadnezzar rose in haste and asked his nobles, "Did we not cast 3 men bound into the fire?" "Assuredly, O king," they answered. But he replied, "I see 4 men unfettered and unhurt, walking in the fire, and the fourth looks like a son of God." In this crossroad, we hear the story of the 3 young men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. And the king, Nebuchadnezzar, has thrown them into the fire, into the furnace, thinking that they will die and they will be punished with this fire. But when they were put in the furnace, not only did they survive, they could also walk on fire. They were not afraid, and they were together with the Son of God. Friends, in this crossroad, we may not have the power to walk on fire. Pwedeng hindi tayo yung nakakalakad sa apoy, pero ang sinasabi sa atin ng kwentong ito sa araw na ito, kaya mong lumakad sa apoy kung kasama mo ang Panginoon. Hindi mo kailangan takasan ang paghihirap. Hindi mo kailangang layuan ang krus na iyong daladala sa buhay. Palalakarin ka ng Panginoon sa apoy. Sa mga circus, nakikita natin yan, o kahit nga sa mga beach resort, sa Boracay or Bohol, o kung saan man, merong mga ganitong mga palabas. Nakakakita tayo ng mga circus artist na naglalakad sa apoy. O hindi man apoy, ay mga abo o kumakain din ng apoy, no? Because they are performers. Pero sa totoong buhay, tatanungin natin ang ating mga sarili, takot ka bang lumakad sa apoy? This is a metaphor for our resistance to pain, our abhorrence to suffering. Ayaw natin na ilalagay tayo sa mainit, gusto natin sa malamig. Ayaw natin na nalalagay tayo sa mahirap, gusto natin sa maginhawa. Do we have the faith of these 3 young men, of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego? Because they serve the Lord, because they cling to the Lord, they are not afraid of the furnace. Mainit man ang kalalagyan, pero paraiso pa rin kasi kasama natin ang Panginoon. So I think this imagery of the furnace of the 3 young men is like the image of hell, because hell is also an eternal fire. But we will be insulated from the fires of hell if we cling to God, if we cling to the cross, if we journey with Jesus in His way to Calvary, if we allow the Son of God to save us and protect us from the fires of hell, so to speak. So in this crossroad, again, malapit na po ang Semana Santa, and as pilgrims of hope, parang palapit na rin tayo sa summertime in our country. Painit na ng painit ang panahon. At siguro, painit na rin ang sitwasyon sa politika, sa ating lipunan. Painit na painit ang ulo ng mga tao. So we ask ourselves, what disposition will you choose? Will you enter into the fire with coolness because you have faith, or shall we enter into the fire and be burned by it and destroyed by it?